I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now here search and select Mailjet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, click on Mailjet API token. Copy the primary API key. Paste it here. Now click on Generate Secret Key. Copy the secret key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailjet. Click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate Mailjet page and select the list. Here is the data that came into Mailjet through the integration. Thanks for watching.